Welcome to this 3 minutes in-house tutorial aimed at enhancing your workplace productivity by seamlessly integrating your work email into the Gmail app. By following these 5 steps, you can save valuable time and maximize your productivity up to 10 times. So let's get into it. Begin by launching the Gmail app on your mobile device. Click on the icon at the top right corner to add another account. In the options presented, select Add Another Account. In this step, choose the option labeled as Other (IMAP) and proceed to enter your work email address. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we will use my email address as an example, which is solomon@foodttng.com. After inputting the email address, click on the Next button at the top right corner to verify your entries. The subsequent step involves the password for the IMAP server, which should be in the format of mail.yourdomain.com. For this tutorial, you employ mail.foodttng.com as an example. That is, if you're WQ staff, it should be mail.westmanqueries.com.ng, and if you're ShopCity staff, it should be for mail.myshopcity.com.ng. Okay, let's get back into it. Ensure that the port number is set to 993 and select the security type as SSL/TLS. Once again, click on the Next button at the top right corner to authenticate your input. In this fourth step, re-enter your passwords and mail server details following the same instructions as in step 3. However, for this specific step, the port number should be set to 465, while the security type remains as SSL/TLS. Click on the Next button at the top right corner to validate your settings. Step 5, which is the final step, involves adding your job role or name according to your own preference. Click on the Next icon at the top right corner to complete the setup process. Congratulations! Your email has successfully been configured within the Gmail app. To verify the setup, I recommend you sending a test email to info@foodttng.com. This will confirm the successful implementation of the configuration changes. If you encounter any challenges or require further assistance, feel free to reach out to me via WhatsApp to provide guidance and address any queries you may have. This is exclusive for WQ, ShopCity, and FoodTT staffs. Enhance your productivity, save time, whether you're at home, work, or any other location.